Multi-channel introductions. Your clients are busier than ever before, with more salespeople trying to get their attention than they've ever known. But 58% of sales meetings, according to the RAIN Group, are just not valuable enough for clients. And so they're becoming more averse to saying yes to your cold approaches. What that means is something very different is needing to happen for them to say yes. First thing to remember, we need to be clear on what we're selling with our introduction. We are not just selling the value of your solution. You need to sell the value of the conversation itself. Your client is time poor and they need to know why they should give you 30 minutes that they could be spending doing anything else that they deem more important. What that means is we need to be very clear on what real value you can add in that conversation. In terms of value you can add stories around other clients, what's worked, what hasn't worked, mistakes. You can add insights. You can add a lot of things which will make your client's job easier as a result of having that one conversation. We need to be clear on that value and you need to sell it in your introduction. The second thing to remember is that your client is not a number. They might be the next on your list, but for them, they're the most important person in their lives. And what that means is that they need to know why you're contacting them specifically. They need to know that you've done your due diligence, that you know why you're calling them specifically and why they should give you the time. Because if you don't know, then they're not going to be able to prioritize you. The third thing to remember is that it's not just what you say, it's also how you put it across in terms of your tone. Your client will be looking for someone who's professional, someone who's credible, someone with warmth, someone they like, someone they want to work with. And making sure that you use the right language for them and to put across those different points is absolutely crucial in any approach you use. So, 3 main things to remember. Number 1, sell the value of the conversation itself. Number 2, make sure that you share with them and show them the time you've put in to choosing them so they put the time into you. And thirdly, make sure you are putting across a tone which is professional, credible, and warm, so your client feels like you're someone they might want to work with. You guys should already have put together your introductions. But the next time you approach a new conversation with a client, make sure you ask yourself this one question. Why am I approaching this specific client? What makes it worth their time? If you were them, why would you have the conversation? And make sure that you're putting that point across strongly when you approach them. Use this question before the next approach and after the next approach to review what worked and what didn't. So remember, always keep practicing and always keep learning. Good luck.